Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to invite friends to Bigo livestream. So in order to invite friends to Bigo livestream, you need to follow the steps. So it's a very simple procedure. Make sure that the app is completely up to date, and along with that, make sure to check your internet connection as well. Now, to begin with, click on the Bigo Live, and this is where the interface will take you. Now that you're logged in, you simply want to click on the Me section from the bottom right corner of your screen. Alright then, at the top you could see your friends following all that. And what next you want to do is simply go ahead and swipe towards the left, and then you could see family as well. And right in the corner there you have these earn money as well. Now, what you need to do is here on this section, in order to earn money, you simply want to click on invite now. So this is how you could invite friends. Now I'm going to share it to another platform. So let's see WhatsApp, and then click on the arrow button, and when the person actually taps onto the following link, and then you've successfully sent an invite link, and you could also receive certain amount of bonus when the person uses a referral code. So this is how you could invite friends to Bigo Live. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.